What's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to add stylus writing to Notion. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Notion. Open the official Notion website and click Login to access your workspace. Once you're inside, open the page where you want to add your writing area. Click in the body of the page, type /embed and select Embed Block. Next, open the new tab and go to a whiteboard tool that supports stylus input, such as Excalibur, Miro, or Whiteboard. Create your drawing or notes, then get the shareable or embed link. Go back to Notion, paste the link into the embed block, and click Embed Link. Once the whiteboard loads, you can use your stylus to write or draw directly inside the embedded area. And there you have it. You now have a stylus writing area inside your Notion page, making it easy to combine handwritten notes with your digital workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.